Hello, you know, so them tell me say my mouth now no filter, but you see you might see, you beat me.
No man. Them for wash them head before them come feed bread.
But you can't say it like a better.
No, but if I think it, just think.
It's a customer. You have to know how to say things.
I win since your mouth giant church. No, you used to tell me if I talk my truth.
Talk your truth, yes. What time and place, me say. Time and place.
I today at the time, and I yes at the place.
I have a fine still because I say one day I want to relax her ear. I must say the dirt in her ear just say, "Hey me here."
You see, if I come for wash them here. I can't understand, you know. But for bread and relax, no man, head for wash.
So,
yeah, man. It's supposed to be 16 of them. Yeah, man, 16. Yeah, man, alright, just send me the list of the names. Yeah, send me the list now. Via email. Alright, yeah, man, thank you. Alright, yeah, man. Yeah. Okay. Oh, gosh. Good help is so hard to find.
Actually, I don't agree, you know. If you want good help, you just have to pay for it.
So you really believe that money can buy good help?
Absolutely. People work better when they have good incentive. Yeah.
Well, until I get to that place where I can pay for that good help, I have to be trying with the people I have.
Well, you have to try and move from that place, or else the business will always be a small business.
The truth is, I have somebody helping me now, but you know, I like to help people. I like to help them up the ladder.
That's good, you know, but you have to make sure that you are at the top of the ladder before you can help people get there.
So wait there. You don't believe in taking people from nothing to something?
This is why we're having this business meeting and dinner, because I want to take your business from where it is and bring it to where it can be. You know what I mean?
You have to excuse me if I'm a little apprehensive, because you and me know black people, we don't help each other.
I disagree with you, you know. Many of us out here can help people, but we have to know who we are helping.
Well, you listen to me. That has not been my experience.
Well, maybe you're a little under-socialized.
Under-socialized? I beg your pardon?
Don't take it the wrong way. When I say that, it's just that you're maybe under-socialized with a certain group of people.
And what group may that be?
The ones who have the money to help. The question is, are you willing to do what it takes to get to the top?
And, excuse me, sir, what do I have to do to get to the top?
If I ask you from what you know. So, how you and Mr. Bowleg?
Oh?
So wait, how much money Bowleg you have? Better yet, how much money you have?
Chris? Am I right?
You know, say you have to go learn how to tell better lie do.
Area, and which I ask about? You know, somebody need to go drink some lime leaf tea. A long time I drink that now.
So, you get tired of him?
No, I'm never say that.
You know, say from you lose the belly, you're not talk about it.
I'm not talking about.
So, you stop getting the liquor knockings.
Hello, that can never stop my love. You know, when you do it, I
Hear ya? A long time you know hear ya brag about it.
So, every time I do it, before I announce it to the world, I say,
So I want to stop it now. The excitement gone.
I don't really want to talk about it now. I need to go drink my tea.
How why am I give born?
You forget who me be? You forget about Patricia? No, dear. About no man.
But they tell us if you keep your eye on him. Cause them hot boy there, no one girl like we for muggle with.
No, but what I try to say? What I try to say? That's a girl like me and I'm ugly material. You talk for your stance.
You know what I mean? Them at boy, them have a type. When them come off a girl like me, them up to something.
Well, just be a fierce business person. Many of us don't possess those skills.
Well, I know for a fact that I'm a fierce businesswoman.
Don't mix up fierce with a rude personality.
So, are you saying that I have a rude personality?
Are you offended by what I just said?
As a matter of fact, I think I am.
First rule about business, take nothing personal, and you must learn to take constructive criticism.
So, telling me that I'm rude and basically feisty is constructive criticism?
Yes. Listen, Miss Campbell. I have 10 successful business. I took all of them from the ground straight to the top. And you know how I did this? Not by sparing people's feelings.